We open up to the awareness of the sacredness of this space. Sacred because we are stepping into it. And we open into that awareness that we are the sacred in this space as well. And that wherever we are, God is. And the divine is here now. And within that divine is all that we ever dreamed and hoped for. And all that we long and need is right here, right now. And I am that expression of the divine. I am filled with awareness of abundance, of prosperity. I am this intelligent being. It moves forth into my life, revealing what is mine to do. I am filled with compassion, love, kindness. I am all that I ever dreamed and needed. Admitting that we all are of this divine nature, that we all have access to the same love, passion, kindness, prosperity, abundance, intelligence, whatever it is that we hope for is already here, waiting for us to release it, to reveal it. So we claim that. We claim that for ourselves, and we claim that for our community. And as we claim it, then we claim it for the world.